A very good morning to all. Welcome to Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education. Today's subject Maths. Myself Archana Ganesh Mokase from City of Los Angeles Municipal School. Our our administrative officer Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre. Our nodal bit officer Miss, Mr. Sharad Kurade. Our nodal HM Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul. Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand, our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule. Before starting my lesson, I am asking you questions. Look at the picture. What do you see in this picture?
Balloons and cats.
Very good.
Balloon and cats.
How many balloons?
4 balloons. 4. 5.
Correct. 5. How
Sorry,
many
5.
cats? How many cats? 5.
5
Correct.
cats. 5 cats.
How many do they see in all? Means count them together.
10. All together 10. 10.
Correct answer. All together
10.
10. Okay. Now next picture. What do you see?
Star and leaves.
Picture, yes. How many stars?
6.
Correct. Next, how many leaves?
6. 7.
Yes. Then count them together.
13.
Seen in all?
13. Total 13.
Six stars, na?
Yes.
And means
7 leaves.
Means all together. Count them together.
13. 13.
Yes. Next. Look at the picture and count. What do you see in this picture?
9 flower.
Yes.
And 10 chocolate.
Correct.
And 10 chocolate.
Then how many do they see in all? Means count them together.
19. All together 19.
Very good. Correct. Now one more last picture. In first box, how many fish?
2.
In next box?
4.
Yes. Then read the statement given.
2 and 4 fish together make 6 fish. 2 and 4 is equal to 6.
Yes, very good. So, which operation done to find out answer?
Addition. Addition.
Very good. So, today let us revise addition. Yes? All of you know about addition, no?
Yes.
Meaning is given addition means combining two or more numbers to find the total is called addition. Now next one more definition given. Anyone read?
Addition is the process of putting items together and counting the total number in the set.
Very good. We counted now some more examples we have seen.
Yes.
Now here also a meaning is given. Addition means putting things together. Yes. Second,
when we add two or more numbers, the result so obtained is called the sum. Also the number added are called addends.
Very good. Means their answer we tell the answer is their sums and these two numbers added are addends. Yes. Now
Yes.
some words is given, keywords to identify the addition word problem. Okay. Addition means how many, sum,
increase, altogether, total plus, both, add, more than, combined,
more than. These are the keywords to identify the addition. Yes. Understood the meaning of addition, everyone?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Very good. What do you see in this picture?
Plus sign.
Yes.
Put together. Plus.
plus is the symbol used for addition. It is called,
Plus.
Plus. Very good. Now some more examples is given. What do you see in
Flowers. 5 flowers. 5 flowers and 4 flowers is equal to 9 flowers.
together? Very good. In this way, do the addition. Now in the next picture,
4 balloons. 4 balloon plus 6 balloon is equal to 10 balloon.
Very good. Then total balloon 10.
Balloon.
Yes. In this way, you have to count them together and find out answers. Yes. Now next term used in addition. Addend. See here, two numbers is given, 516 and 321. These are the what? We call to them addend. Yes. When we add to them, which answer we obtain? 837. This is the sum. Yes. Properties of addition. There are three properties given: commutative property, associative, and zero property. We will see one by one. First one, commutative property. Yes, anyone read?
When two numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the order of the attendance. Example, 351 plus 504 is equal to 504 plus 351 is equal to 855 is equal to 855.
Means if the order of the number is not same, their answer also same. See here, both sides are same, no? Answers. Which is the answer sum?
855.
Very good. In both sides, the answer is same. Property number 2, associative property. Means, anyone read? I will explain.
When 3 or more numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the grouping to the attendance. Example, 10 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 10 plus 30 plus 30, 40 plus 30 is equal to 10 plus 60.
Yes, very good.
70 is equal to 70.
When 3 or more numbers are added, the sum is the same of both sides. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Which is the answer obtained? 70, na?
70.
Yes, understood. Property number 2. Property number 3, zero property. Read. Anyone?
The sum of any number and 0 is always number itself. Example, 19 plus 0 is equal to 19. 0 is equal to 19.
If we added a zero number to any number, the answer will be the number itself.
Yes.
Number is given 19, na? When we added the 0, then answer also
19.
Correct. Now next, addition of large number. Yes, which large number is given? 3,48,12,472. Now here is given some steps how to do the addition. Step number 1, arrange the numbers as per the place value chart. Place value chart means in tens place, ones place, 100, 1,000 unit. See in the table, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yes, in this way. Step number 2, add all the digits in each column starting from the ones place. Means start the addition from right side. Step number 3, regroup is required. Means regroup means is the process of exchanging ones, tens into tens ones. Now we will see one by one in the given example. Now we will do 5 and 6 digit numbers addition. Which example is given? Read. What is the steps?
6 One ones plus 9 ones is equal to 100 ones regroup and write 0 in the ones column and take 1 to the tens column.
Yes, in first step,
62,391.
yes, and other number is given
28,059.
28,059. Then first step is 1 ones and 9 ones equal to tens. Then regroup and write 0 in the ones column and take 1 to the tens column. Understood first step? Now in
Yes.
next step, 9 tens and 5
Four.
tens plus 1 tens. Carry over 15 tens. 5 in the tens column, 1 to the 100 column. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Miss. In
Next step, 9 tens plus 5 tens plus 1 tens, 15. Write 5 in the tens column, 1 to the 100 column. Next step, 2 tens, 800 equal to 10,000. Write a 0 in the 1000 place and 1 in the 10,000 column.
8, 9.
Yes. Now see here answer obtained. 6 tens, 6 10,000 and 2 10,000 is equal to 1 10,000. Then written 9 10,000. Yes.
Yes,
Answer
teacher.
is the answer. Read.
90,450.
Yes. Correct. Now one more example is given. Read it. Number.
62,895. 21,637.
Then answer obtained.
84,532.
Yes, correct. In this way, answer obtained. Understood steps how to add the numbers?
Yes.
First, numbers as per arrange the numbers as per their place value. Then add all the digits in each column starting from the ones place, and third is regroup is required. Yes, understood everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Now we will see some more examples one by one in evaluation. Okay, I will write number, then you have to solve this. Then our number 20,268. Yes. Then next number 42,608. Yes. Start addition. 8 plus 8. Start the
16.
addition from.
62,876.
Very good.
Miss, I have solved in notebook.
Yes, very good. Answer is repeat it again.
62,876.
Very good. Next example, I will write 44,000. $662 plus 28,080. Start step by step. First step. Start the addition from.
72,742.
Correct. Repeat it again. 72,000.
72,742.
Very good. Correct answer. Now next example. 64,264 plus 28,248. Step by step. Step 1. How to add the numbers?
92,512.
Very good. 92,000.
512.
Very good. Everyone understood how to add?
Yes, teacher.
Steps of addition.
Yes,
Three
miss.
steps. Yes. Now we will take next example. 13,579 and other number 33,559. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 9.
47,110. 47,138.
Very good.
47,138.
Very good. Everyone understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
miss.
Very good. Now one more. 73,795 plus 13,951. These two numbers.
87,746.
87,746. Very good. Very good. One more example. 35,000. Everyone solid. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
35,000.
I'm solving in my notebook.
Very good. 117. Other number 15,393. Yes. Add these two numbers. Step 1. Start the
50,000.
addition.
50,510.
50,510.
10.
Very good. Now we will take a one other example. 62,408 and other number 13,795.
76,203.
76,203. Very good. Very good. Everyone solid in your
Yes.
notebook and check your answers. See here on the screen. Next number 20,442 and other number 15,973. Add these two numbers. Tell me answer.
36,415.
36,000.
415.
Everyone solid in your notebook. 36,415.
15.
Yes. Correct answer. Now next example. 46,280. Next number 35,353. Yes. Tell me answer.
81,633.
Yes. 81,633. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Answer.
Yes,
Note down in your notebook.
yes, teacher, I'm solving in my notebook.
Yes. Other students also solid. 63,452. Other number 54,301. Add it.
Teacher, 2 minutes, I'm solving.
Okay. Everyone solid and tell me answer. 2 plus 1.
3.
Write here 3.
A 5
Next
plus
number
5. 2 plus 1, 3.
This 5, 4 plus 3, this 7,
7.
then 4 plus 3,
7.
correct. Next, two numbers, 6 plus 5,
11.
correct. Then answer 1,17,752.
753.
Yes. 27,430. 34,576. Yes. Do the addition.
62,006.
Yes. Correct. Now last example. 61,452. 16,369. Yes. Everyone solid. Tell me answer. Last example.
77,821.
821. Correct. Yes. Everyone note down these answers. Yes. Understood everyone? 5 digits, 6 digits numbers, how to add?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now we will revise. Concept of addition. Everyone pay attention.
Okay, teacher.
Definition of addition and steps and properties. Okay. Yes. One by one read. Meaning of addition.
Teacher, I cannot see your screen. There are whiteboard.
Okay, okay. Can you see now?
Yes, teacher.
Definition of addition. We will
Yes,
revise it again.
yes.
Read it.
Combine two or more numbers to find the total is called addition.
Very good. Next. Addition means.
Addition is the progress of putting items
Okay.
together
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
counting the total number in the set.
Very good.
Addition
One
means Addition means putting things together. When we add two or more numbers, the result so obtained is called the sum. Also, the number added are called addends.
Very good. Yes, keywords.
How many? Sum,
Yes.
increase, altogether, total, plus, both, add, more than, combine.
Yes. This is the symbol of.
Addition.
Yes, we call to them plus. Now, terms. Which are the terms used in addition?
Addends.
Very good. Which numbers give one addend here?
516 plus 321, sum is 837.
Correct. Sum means the answer obtained. Properties of addition. First one.
Community property. Teacher,
Yes.
what second?
Associative.
Associative property, zero property.
Very good. Commutative property means.
When two numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the order in the of
Yes.
the addends. Example, 351 plus 504 is equal to 504 plus 351. 855 is equal to 855.
Very good. Means both sides are same, 855. Property number 2, associative property.
When three or more numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the grouping of the addends. Example, 10 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 10 plus 30 plus 30. 40 plus 30 is equal to 10 plus 60. 17 is equal to 70.
Yes, both the side obtain answer 70. Zero property.
The sum of any number and 0 is always number in set. Example, 19 plus 0 is equal to 19.
Yes, means the answer obtained, the number itself is 90. Steps. We have seen 3 steps of addition, how to do. First one, any other students read step 1.
Uh, 3. Oh,
Here is given steps now. After
yes.
the number, step 1,
Step
arrange
1,
the
arrange
numbers.
the numbers as per the place value change. Step 2, and all the digits in each column starting from the ones place. Step 3, regroup if required.
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 Regroup is required. Very good. In this way, these are the steps given to add the numbers. Yes. Understood now properties and steps of addition?
Yes,
How
teacher.
to add 5 digits, 6 digits numbers?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, see here. We will solve these all the examples. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
On the whiteboard.
Yes,
Everyone
teacher.
written in the notebook? Good.
Yes.
Now, next, last step, homework. These 12 examples given for a homework. Everyone, take a screenshot
Yes, teacher, I have taken the screenshot.
and write in your notebook. Everyone. Bye, students.
Bye,
I will
teacher.
stop here.